can't control what's out there.
You can't just protect me forever.
As long as I'm around, he's never gonna hurt you again. No one is.
You said you did what you thought was right and left at 17 and nobody stopped you.
I wish they had. Gabrielle, I care for you like a daughter. I know you want answers. Just wait a little while. Grow up a little bit. Know about the world a little bit. Would you do that for me, please?
All right.
Thanks.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Good night.
Nunca ha querido que estés en su vida.
And I just want to know why.
No tiene caso, no tiene sentido. Ese hombre está muerto por dentro, no tiene alma, no tiene corazón.
What's going on?
She wants to see her father.
Gabrielle, I thought we had an understanding.
We did. We did. I'm sorry, but I've been thinking about it all night and I just want answers now, not later.
How did you find him?
Giselle helped me.
Giselle. ¿Ella sigue hablando con Giselle?
Yeah.
Giselle es una mala muchacha, entiéndelo.
Cambió.
No, ella no cambió. Y yo estuve verdaderamente contenta cuando ella se regresó.
She's just trying to help me.
Él ni siquiera te va a reconocer, porque nunca se ha portado como tu padre. That man is more your father. Watching over you, protecting you. These last 10 years, he was the father, no el otro, mijita.
Maria, go easy.
No, why?
Because
Ese hombre ni siquiera tenía derecho en poner sus ojos sobre ti. Jamás fue al hospital a ver a tu madre mientras estaba muriendo de cáncer. Y una Navidad, John tuvo que quitársela de encima porque él estaba golpeándola con un cinturón.
that's enough.
Tell her. No quiero que veas a ese hombre. Ni él ni yo te vamos a permitir que vayas a un lugar completamente peligroso.
Por favor.
¡Ya!
Okay. You're right. I won't go. I'm gonna go to Antonia's.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's all right, she's a kid.
Uncle John! Sorry about everything earlier.
That's okay.